Yes, I did.
Did I tell you to come in? Did I ask you to come inside?
I am not sure. I heard something.
Oh, please shut up. You're just clueless and dumb. So stupid. How would you know? So when a knock comes on the door, you wait to get a response from the person inside before you can come in. Well, how would you know this?
I am sorry.
Please, just shut up and get out of my office. Wait. Why do you parade yourself around the school like you own it? Like your father is the richest man in the school, you're the only rich kid in the school, huh? You're gonna go home and tell your lazy mother to teach you some home training.
No.
Because you lack it.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't involve my mom in this. And don't refer to her as lazy. Please.
Oh, she is. She is lazy. I mean, if she wasn't lazy, how is it that she raised such an ill-mannered kid?
You can punish me if you want to. If I did anything wrong, you can punish me. But please, don't call my mom names.
Wait a minute. Did you just talk back at me?
I'm sorry, Mother.
Neil.
I didn't do anything for me to kneel.
Neil! How dare you? Oh, how dare you talk back at me? Oh, if you don't get trained at home, if your stupid mother does not give you home training, I will give it to you. Now stretch out your arms.
No, this is not
Stretch out your arms! Stretch.
Mom, please wait. I will do it. Just wait. Mom, please wait, Mom. Please.
Stretch out your arms!
Please.
Oh, now you talk back.
No.
You talk back at your teacher.
Coming back to me. But you never do. It's been 2 years now, and I am yet to wake up from this dream. But I never wake. Why did you have to break my heart? Why did you have to go? You left us in perpetual bitterness. How am I going to survive this? Tell me. How? How am I going to survive this? Every single day, I wait by the window side, looking at the door.
Dad!
How do I do this?
Daddy! Dad!
Because the power of death is more powerful than the power of love. Rest well, my queen. Hello, madam.
Welcome, sir.
Sorry, my name is Richard. I got a phone call that I'm saying that there was an accident and my wife was brought here. Please, can I see her?
Sir, only the little baby survived. Others have been taken to the morgue.
Hey, my wife. My wife.
You need to calm down, sir.
I want to see my wife, please. Please. Please,
Hold on.
my wife. I want to see my wife. Oh my goodness. The angel of my life. You will always be in my heart for all eternity. My angel. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I saw you. It's been 2 years now. It's been 2 years. We're supposed to be strong.
Daughter, I'm trying. I'm trying my best.
You know Mom wouldn't like to see you like this, right?
Why did she leave us? Why did she go away from us?
We don't have to start all over again. I mean, for the past 2 years, we've been crying, we've been mourning her. She didn't come back. Crying and doing all these things will bring her back. So all we need to do is to be strong for ourselves. Please. You're a very strong man. And you're the best dad in the world. And you know one thing? You deserve to be happy always. Okay? So please cheer up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think you should do something that will distract you a little bit. Maybe go out, play a game, go watch a football match with other men. I think it will help.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay. I'll do just that. What do you have there?
Oh, yes, I was coming to show you my results from my mock exams.
Just as expected. Always excelling in flying colors.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Thanks for making Daddy proud.
Thank you. Now it's time. Now come and freshen up. Oh my God, Dad, you're heavy.
I'm your dad.
And so, she didn't have even let me carry you. She just said, daughter, don't carry me, I'm heavy.
Sorry.
It's fine. Cheer up. Come on, freshen up so that you can go out.
Okay.
And that's it. Yes, sure. I'm confused.
You know.
Calm down. Yes. This one. So this is my one.
Did you do anything wrong to our teacher? The way she acts around you surprised me.
I reported her to the principal for missing all her classes last week. She was just sitting down in her office, getting drunk. Like, how can a teacher walk into the class and she's reeking of alcohol?
I'm not comfortable with the way she acts towards you.
Well, the best part is, I don't feel it again. Everything she's been doing to me has been making my skin thicker. And very soon we'll be done with these exams. I'll never see her again. So, just have a weeks. Okay. Yay! How many points do you have?
Wait, what's that now? What?
Show you what?
Wait, I just want to see. Let me see now. Open your
What
head.
do you think you want to see?
Let me see the game. See my game. Let me see yours.
Oh, you know the game. Oh yeah, show me.
Madam.
Who is the better person here? Is it the man who told the lady that he lives in Chicago, in England? Or the lady who said, no, she can't drink shawarma because she does not like that type of wine.
Shawarma is now wine.
Shawarma is not the type of wine. I was like,
Imagine 2 liars in love.
oh,
That's exactly what it is.
perfect fit for each other. If you ask me.
And you're expecting to live happily ever after.
Oh yeah, they will. In lies.
After all the lies. I haven't laughed this much in a very long time. As a matter of fact, I barely even laugh. Ever since I lost my late wife. But you have really, really cracked my ribs today. Almost as if you're like a relief pill for me.
You mean like a happy pill?
Yeah, happy pill.
I actually love that nickname. Pill. Happy pill.
Really?
Look at that.
Okay,
Yeah.
pill. That's what
Helen
it
is
is.
happy pill. Helen is pill.
Yeah, thank you. Well, for everything, for allowing me to steal your time, for making me laugh to the point where I almost busted my ribs. It's okay, it was nothing. I can always do that again and again and again. So, tell me, how's your tomorrow like? Yeah, some more pills, maybe. Yeah, that's fine. I can clear my day for you. Yes, of course, I can clear my day for you. Yeah, we have something to celebrate that. Yeah, I know. We have an amazing time. Yes, of course. I'll catch you later, right? Good night, good night, good night. Bye. Yeah.
Hello, Daddy.
Hi, Chipmunk. How
You're
are you?
so cheerful. So, tell me, what's going on? Who were you talking to on the phone?
A friend. And she happens to be very, very funny.
Is she?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Who is this she that is putting smiles on my father's face? I'd like to say thank you to her.
Well, eventually, when she comes around, when you get to meet her, you will get a chance to say thank you.
Definitely.
By the way, what did you have for dinner?
Well, Auntie Tina made pasta. It is super delicious. Actually, she served yours. It's in the kitchen right now.
Well, too bad I'm not hungry. I just want to go upstairs, freshen up, and sleep.
Okay. Yeah, just watching TV.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Why are you singing? Really? This is the new. Tell me. So what happened there? Ma, good afternoon. I came for...
Did you knock?
Yes, I did.
Did I tell you to come in? Did I ask you to come inside?
I am not sure. I heard something.
Oh, please shut up. You're just clueless and dumb. So stupid. How would you know? So when a knock comes on the door, you wait to get a response from the person inside before you can come in. Well, how would you know this?
I am sorry.
Please, just shut up and get out of my office. Wait. Why do you parade yourself around the school like you own it? Like your father is the richest man in the school, you're the only rich kid in the school. Huh? You're gonna go home and tell your lazy mother to teach you some home training.
No.
Because you lack it.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't involve my mom in this. And don't refer to her as lazy. Please.
Oh, she is. She is lazy. I mean, if she wasn't lazy, how is it that she raised such an ill-mannered kid?
You can punish me if you want to. If I did anything wrong, you can punish me. But please, don't call my mom names.
Wait a minute. Did you just talk back at me?
I'm sorry, Mother.
Neil.
I didn't do anything for me to kneel.
Neil! How dare you? How dare you talk back at me? Oh, if you don't get trained at home, if your stupid mother does not give you home training, I will give it to you. Now stretch out your arms.
No, this is not fair.
Stretch out your arms! Stretch.
No, please wait. I will do it. Just wait. Mom, please wait, Mom, please.
Stretch out your arms!
Please.
Oh, now you talk back.
No.
You talk back at your teacher.
This is becoming too much. You need to tell your dad about it.
About Miss Fina? Come on. It'll be a waste of time. Waste of my dad's precious time to call him to go to that school because of that drunk. Come on. Time is money.
So you're going to let her treat you like an animal?
First of all, I'm not an animal. And I will not waste my time because of that lazy drunk. She's not my problem. My problem now is a way to make my dad happy again. He seems to be sad these days.
You're enjoying a lot. If it was me, I'll make sure I tell my dad to shut down the whole school.
Because of a drunk? A poorly paid teacher.
Yeah.
Please forget about that one. Look, let me tell you. You cannot give me a headache of trying to stress myself, going to my father to report. Come on, who is she? Do you know who my father is? Wait, do you know who my father is? My father cannot walk up to her.
you know what? I'll call you back in a minute, okay? I need to attend to my daughter now. Alright, take care. Bye. He's dropping on daddy.
I'm sorry, I just walked in and you were making a call. She makes you happy. Why not you invite her over for lunch one of these days? You know?
Well, I think it's rather too early for that.
So early to bring someone who makes you happy closer?
I just don't think I'm ready for it yet. I mean, we don't want to mutate any emotions.
What is wrong with that? Besides, this house is too boring, just the both of us in it.
Alright. But you know, Daddy has to take things slowly, huh?
Daddy doesn't have to take things slowly. In fact, taking this slowly is the best. That's what I'm advising you. Just invite her over for lunch slowly. Call her on phone slowly. You understand? That's better. Look, do what makes you happy. So if the lady makes you happy, I want her around.
I'll think about it.
No, don't think about it. Do it. Yes, I want her closer. She makes you happy. Do what makes you happy, Dad. Do it. Come on, Daddy.
Okay, you win. Alright. I'll invite her for dinner this weekend.
Yay! I can't wait to see her, how beautiful she is. I mean, before my dad could say she likes someone, he really likes the person, right?
Oh, she's amazing. You're definitely going to like her.
Of course, my dad likes her, so what am I waiting for? Good one.
Good
one. So, now that my dad is in love with him.
Happy birthday!
Oh my God! You remember?
There you go.
You remember?
Happy birthday to you, my lovely bird. I wish I could do more than this.
That's too much. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're simply the best.
You want to see the cake?
Yes.
Alright. Open it.
This is my favorite.
Wow, look at that.
Oh my God, this is so amazing.
Happy birthday.
I absolutely love it.
This is for you as well.
Oh, some Louis too. Oh.
Thank you for being part of my life.
Really?
My peel. Remember? You brought the happiness back.
You feel. Oh, baby, I can't wait to dig in. Oh my God, this is. Oh,
I'm happy with that. Yeah.
God. Oh, look at my precious.
It says, Happy birthday, Bina.
Bina. Tastes amazing.
Good morning, Auntie Tina. Oh, thank you so much. Can I sit now? Okay. Do you know where my dad is?
He left a few minutes ago.
He left to where? I mean, he's supposed to be the one to take me to school today.
He called the cab. He's waiting outside.
He called the cabman. That means I won't go to school today.
Oh no, you will. I'm guessing he had something very important to do.
Something more important than taking me, his daughter, to school?
I never said that. You know, he woke up in high spirits today, and we should be happy. He's getting back to his old self. So, your breakfast.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What did you say to the principal about me? What did you tell the principal about me?
I didn't say anything to the principal. I haven't even seen her today, so...
Why are you lying?
Why would I lie? If I lie about this, it'll be a cheap lie because I'm gaining nothing. I'm telling you the truth. I haven't even discussed you with anyone this week because I've been so busy with my exams.
So why didn't you bring me a birthday gift like your other classmates did?
I totally forgot it was your birthday today. I'll get you something tomorrow, maybe.
You didn't remember, or you didn't want to get me a gift?
I just said I didn't remember. And I promised to get you something tomorrow, so... Ma, please. I want to go back to my class. It's almost time for mathematics and I can't miss it.
Okay, so what I'm saying here is not important.
No, it's very important. In fact, it's more important than math, but please. Whatever you're saying is important, very important, but please.
You know what? I am going to punish you for lying to the principal against me.
I didn't say anything to her.
Let me see your hand.
Mom, please, I beg you.
Let me see. Come back at me. Come here!
Mom, I didn't say.
Oh, you think I'm Let me see your hand.
Mom, please, my eye hurts.
Let me see your hand! I think I'm playing with you. You think I'm
Oh my god. Why does she hate you so much? See, June, you need to tell your dad about it. If you don't, I'm coming to your house to tell him.
No, please. You know how emotionally drained my dad is. I don't want to ruin his mood now that he's coming back to normal, please. Oh, God. Don't worry. Miss Fina can win. She can just go. She can just walk away with broken conscience. Don't worry.
If she has blind your eye like this, okay, you just let her walk away.
Well, it didn't get to that point. It didn't get to the point. Just stop talking about this. Let's go to the school, please. This is getting worse.
Oh, my goodness. You look magnificently gorgeous.
I do?
Yes, you do.
Well, it's my special day.
Yeah.
And I'm hanging out with a special man. So I had to show up looking special.
Thank you, bro. Why don't you just have a seat?
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. So tell me, what exactly do you want for your birthday?
Is that a trick question?
No, of course not.
It's an open check.
Well, maybe.
Are you ready for the filling in?
You just tell me exactly what you want, and believe you me, I will make the magic happen. As long as it is
within your means,
within my capacity.
Okay. Well, what I would really like for my birthday is to see you every day. Spend every day with you.
Wow.
Be part of your every day.
That's the sweetest thing anyone has ever said to me.
Really?
I'm so glad that I found you. It kind of gives a lot of joy into my life. Thank you very much.
Come, sir. So tell me, what is it you want to say to me?
Sorry, pardon my manners. Would you like to eat anything in particular? You know, I already spoke to them ahead of time. They have local delicacies, they have international delicacies, they have Chinese, they have Italiano. It all depends on what you want. We could even have a buffet. Right?
No, that'd be too much. You know what? Then we can go home first. We can eat some nice, special, home-cooked meal.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Homemade food. That's quite impressive. I think I like the sound of that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we go home then after this.
I feel like it's kind of hot. I don't know if you'll love to go swimming with me. I think I'd like to take a dip with you.
That's an amazing invitation. But sadly, I am not much of a swimmer. How about you go shopping instead?
What a shame. Shopping? Yeah. Shopping sounds good.
Yeah,
that's
fine. Right after that, we can go see my daughter.
Okay. Great. Sounds like a plan.
The plan it is.
I'm thinking you should bring her to the hospital for a proper eyes checkup.
Oh my goodness.
It's not what I thought.
Doctor, is it that serious?
I can't tell until we conduct a proper examination. Trust me, it doesn't look good.
Okay, fine. Please, since you're here already, doctor, can you just help drop us at the hospital? Please.
Okay, but you have to make it snappy because I have another appointment.
Okay, no problem. Let me just quickly get her.
Alright, let's do that.
Thank you.
So, it's time for us to go back to my place and have a good meal.
Yeah. Very inviting and yummy idea.
Okay.
But I thought we'll be doing same at my place. Especially considering the fact that my daughter can't wait to see you.
All that. So how about we do that tomorrow?
Okay. Tomorrow's not bad. The only issue is my daughter will definitely have my head. I mean, she's been on my case for a long time now that she wants to see you, and she has a special package for you. So, would you rather I am headless?
Well, anything for you.
Thank you. So we can go now.
Okay.
Yeah. Careful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is where I live. I just hope it matches your taste.
Are you kidding? This is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it.
I'm humbled. I'm glad you like it.
So, where's your daughter?
Oh.
I cannot wait to meet her.
Yeah, she's actually supposed to be out. Angel! My angel! Auntie Pino, she has to see you.
Okay, they just come out too.
Where did they go to?
Okay, they don't tell you.
Alright, no problem. I'll handle it. Thank you.
Bye, Auntie. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello, Tina. Where are you and where is my daughter? You mean the house is locked? Well, I don't have my key with me. You should have known that I'll return home. Why did you lock the house? You thought I had my key. No problem, that's fine. I'll call you when I need you, okay? Alright, it's fine, it's okay. I'm sorry, apparently the house is inaccessible. I don't know. She locked the house and took the key with her. She thought I was in my own key.
Oh, I see. No, it's okay, baby. We can go over to my place when they get back.
Your place?
Yeah.
Are you sure about this?
100%.
Well, that sounds like a fantastic idea. What happened to your face? What happened to your eyes? What's this? Tina!
Sir?
Who did this to my daughter?
Sir, she came back and...
I said, what happened to my angel? I said, what happened to my angel?
It was an accident, yes, it was an accident, Dad. Yeah, but the doctor said that this plaster will be removed.
What kind of
very soon.
accident?
It was, I mistakenly poked my eye. Yes, with my pen. It's not bad, Dad, it's not bad.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah, that was actually why we went to the hospital.
I'm so sorry, I hope it doesn't hurt that much.
No, not much, just a little. So how's the birthday? I hope you made her birthday fun-filled.
Yeah. Well, she said it's the happiest birthday she's ever had. She was so happy.
That's good.
Yeah.
I hope she's still coming.
You know what, let me just go freshen up and have some rest, okay?
Okay, Dad. Sorry.
Yeah. Mm.
Yes. What did you like to do? Tina, please don't tell him anything. Please.
Okay, oh yeah. Go to bed. Is it?
You want to watch the
Is it?
I just closed the by mistake.
No.
Oh.
Good night, young lady.
Okay.
Let's go sleep. I'm waiting. Careful.
Yes, I will.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Tina. How was your night?
Fine, thank you, sir.
So I'm actually expecting a very important guest tomorrow. And I just needed to be sure that we have enough groceries in the house. I mean, food stuff.
We do, sir.
Excellent.
Sir, is there any particular dish you want me to prepare?
To be honest, I have no idea, but you can just go ahead and be creative about it. Make sure we have a lot of options, okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright. What about June?
Oh, she's still sleeping.
When she wakes up, tell her daddy says he loves her, okay?
Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
And you too, bye.
Come on now.
Oh my god. Is it that bad?
Yeah.
It's not painful. Oh,
Welcome.
it's not painful. With this bandage in your eyes.
Come on, can you at least settle down and collect my greetings? I said welcome.
Did you tell your dad about it?
Why would I tell my father about it?
How would you tell your father about it?
Queen, please. Let's drop this talk about my eyes.
I'll tell my dad to tell your dad.
Then you cease to be my friend. Anyways, I have good news. You don't want to smile and know what the good news is. Whatever. So, my father's girlfriend will be coming over for lunch tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and guess what? You're invited.
Ouch.
Sorry, I was too hard. Sorry.
That's what attended.
Yeah, and I'm so happy because finally I can share things with someone. When she comes after the lunch, I'll sit her down and I'll tell her a lot of things. So I'll be so excited.
I understand.
Yeah, no, you don't understand. I mean, you have your mother all to yourself. You don't understand.
I
anything.
understand.
Okay, explain to me. What do I mean? You don't understand. You have your mother and father complete. You don't.
I do.
Yeah.
Dad!
Tell me, how do I look?
You want to know what you look like?
Mm-hmm.
You look like an estate surveyor. Yes. Come on, put on something casual, not this.
Well, you're the one that said I should always look good anytime I look
Well, this is your house. She should be the one trying to look beautiful, extra beautiful. Yeah.
What's wrong with the way I look? I
Dad,
was looking dashing.
you're looking what? No, you're looking like someone was dead.
Alright, fine, you know what? I'll just go find something else to change to.
Please, and this time a little bit more casual, not the suit and the shoe that makes you look like an usher in church.
June.
Yes, Dad. Sorry. And this time a little bit more casual, not this. Do away with the suit.
I heard that.
get the second period.
No. I will finish this up. You go get ready. Don't worry. Thank you.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay, so one dress should make it out of this bunch. Oh. I want something very sexy and beautiful. Something that befits the day. I want to stand out. Something amazing. Should I do red? Red. I need to look good. I want to look breathtaking. So that when he sets eyes on me, he'll be blown away. Yeah. I think this is a good pick. This can work. This can work. Beautiful, still sexy, and decent. Right. Okay. And there goes the lucky winner, the outfit for the day.
Everything set, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Where's June?
She went to freshen up.
Alright. She's the one. Tina, please go upstairs and get me my phones, okay? Hurry up. Okay, thank you, huh? I'm dead serious. See, I'm going to make beautiful pictures, and I'll transform them into a canvas portrait, and I'll hang them in my bedroom. Come and stand by the flower.
Not the only canvas portrait. Why don't you make a pendant and put it on your neck? So you want me to stand here?
You're sworn to crack my ribs. You know what? Yeah, stand here by the flower, okay? Just a minute. Oh, this is it. Yeah. Madam, just stay right here. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing. What's that?
I told you, madam. I said, let me give you a madam-like pose.
You never fail to crack my ribs, so that's a madam-like pose.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
It's what you asked for.
Okay, you know what? Just give me any nice pose is fine.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so we'll go in there. That beach, oh my God, you're so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Yeah. Nice. Oh my God. Well, let's just say I know what I want.
Wait a minute. You know what you want?
Yeah.
Well, are you just using my company to replace the memory of your late wife?
What's that coming from?
Yeah, that's what it seems like. Are you just using me to catch cruise?
How would you say such a thing to me?
How come you never said the words to me, I love you? How come you never told me that? You never say it to me, why? If you love me, isn't it something that would be so easy to say? How come you've never said those words to me?
If I don't love you, why did I kiss you the other day?
Oh, I see. Okay, so that is now a yardstick to prove that you love a person. Wait, I need to understand. Am I not worthy of your love? Am I not beautiful enough? Huh? Am I not a speck?
So, Auntie Tina, tell me, how do I look?
Aren't you a little bit overdressed?
Overdressed? I don't understand. What's wrong with what I'm putting on?
I never said something was wrong with what you were putting on. All I'm saying is, it's not looking too casual.
Okay, what do I do now?
Wait. Why are you guys so excited about this visitor? I thought you said she's not a government official.
Well, she's not a government official. But this is the lady that always puts smiles on my dad's face. It's only fair that we treat her like a special person. Don't you think so?
True.
Sure. I just heard my dad's voice laughing or something. Where is he?
Oh, she's outside.
She's here? Oh my god, I'm coming.
No. Go back upstairs. Take off the shoes. Wear something more comfortable,
No,
please.
Tina, let's strike a deal. I will just go outside, see her just for 2 minutes, go back upstairs and change. How about that?
Girl, just go upstairs. Take off the shoes first, please.
Come on, Auntie Tina, let me just see her.
Good girl.
You've been so
It's okay. Thank you.
No.
Lina, please. We started very good and happy. Let's not drink today, okay? Please.
How'd you know? If I was your late wife, would you not be apologizing to me?
Please, with all due respect, let's not talk about my late wife, okay? I don't want that old wound to come up again.
You see, that's the problem. That is exactly the problem. You care so much about a dead woman when you have a living woman standing right before you.
Enough, Lina! What has come over you? Why do you have to talk about my late wife? Why? Please, let's stop right now. I'm begging you, stop it. Well, we're having fun. It was amazing till now, and you suddenly just switch, and I don't even know why.
Because if someone you cannot see anymore, you cannot touch, you cannot feel, a dead person, you raise your voice at me.
Stop.
Fine.
Stop.
I am out of the picture while you stay with your dead wife. Excuse me.
Fina. Fina, don't do this.
Dad, where is she?
She left.
She left. Why? She don't have the lunch with us again.
No, she's not.
Why?
She chose not to.
She chose not to. She didn't even come inside. Dad, what exactly happened outside?
Nothing happened, okay?
You won't let us step out of this house if she didn't do something terrible. So tell me, what did she do?
She compared herself to... You know what? Never mind. I'm fine. Let's just something to eat, okay?
I guess you mentioned Mom.
Yeah, she did. I mean, why would she?
But Dad, sometimes you just have to ignore some things. Give me a minute.
Where are you going?
Dad, she's gone. How could you let her go? Dad, you know, sometimes you need to tell someone you love not to say the things you don't like.
Love? Who loves her?
I'm going to be upstairs.
This guy is not even running after me. Maybe I said too much. Yeah, maybe I should not have said all that. Well, it's okay. He loves me too much. I'll give you a few days, he'll come running after me.
So, do you want me to dish out some food for you?
No. I am not hungry. Thank you.
So after all this suffer, why don't suffer cook like this? Eh?
Fina, why? Why can't you control your temper? Why do you let your mouth run faster than a tap? Kai, why didn't you just calm down and enjoy the beautiful moment? No, you must use your mouth to spoil your fortune. Always. Look at me now. Back home, just down on the left, I'm back home already. God, help Fina.
Hope I'm not late. Where is she? Is she beautiful?
She's not here.
She didn't come.
She came, but
Is she beautiful?
I didn't get to see her. She left before I could even come downstairs.
What happened?
I really don't know. I don't know what transpired between them, but she just left. She didn't even come inside. She didn't...
Maybe she has spoken about your mom or something.
I think so. The thing is, I'm not happy. Because now, my dad is going to go back to his terrible mood. And I don't like it when he's like that.
That's all. Where is he?
He's just been walking around the house. Not happy at all.
I don't like this news.
Can't even lie. I have fallen for this guy. I'm in love. I can't let him slip out of my hands. I need to see him. And I need to see him right now.
Tina, please, where's my dad?
He should be outside.
Did he eat something?
Oh no, he said he's not hungry.
He said he's not hungry.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't do anything about it.
What will you have me do?
Come on, you should have asked him if he wanted smoothie or anything that will fill his tummy.
June, he said he's not hungry. Do you want me to force him?
accept the fact that you love this lady? You've been sad since she left. You've not eaten anything. It's obvious you love her. Just accept it. I mean, you rejected everything given to you to eat. Since she left this house, you've been sad. Have you even thought about me? Have you even thought about the effects all of this will make on me? I don't like it whenever you're sad. I don't like it. And it's not easy for me, Dad. It's not.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my daughter.
It's okay. All I want now is for you to at least eat something. Please.
Well, I still haven't found my appetite yet. But since you're insisting, I can have some nuts and some yogurt.
That's great, and I'll get it for you.
My angel. Come. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Dad.
Go.
So, please keep me.
Oh, okay. You can go to bed. I'll lock up the house.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Who's there?
Hi, Richard.
Hi.
Hi.
Good to see you again.
I couldn't stop thinking about you.
Me too. I couldn't.
I had to come.
Let's go outside, okay?
Let's go inside. Okay.
Yeah, my very good.
Big. Rich.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so ashamed of myself. I can't even face it right now.
It's alright.
Please, I want to apologize for how I acted earlier, and I'm sorry. I overreacted. Please forgive me.
It's okay. You are forgiven.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what about your daughter? Can I see her? I really want to see her.
Yeah. But by this hour, she would be fast asleep already.
Look, I don't mind waking her up right now, just to apologize to her. I feel so bad that I ruined her hope of meeting me, and I just want to make it up.
Yeah, I can imagine that. What do you think? We should try?
Yeah, let's go wake her up.
Let's go.
Okay.
She's praying.
Oh, that's nice. In that case, I would make a breathtaking breakfast in bed in the morning for her.
Well, that would be amazing.
Yeah.
In the meantime, it's just something I can get for you.
Well, all I want is standing right here in front of me. I don't want anything else.
I know. Perhaps I can ask Tina to prepare something for you to eat. I mean, you look tired.
Well, my dinner looks happy standing right in front of me. How about you come with me to the room? Things I like to show you. Keep me waiting.
Hansina, good morning.
Good morning. Are you okay?
No, just my eyes paining me.
Let me see.
Please don't touch it.
Is it as a result of what that wicked teacher did to you?
I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea.
I think you need to see the doctor on your way back from school.
I'll definitely do that.
Good. So, breakfast is ready.
Actually, have you seen my dad?
He's in his room.
I mean, I was knocking and nobody opened the door. He didn't even answer. He didn't say anything.
Oh, they slept 3 a.m. this morning.
They?
Mm-hmm. The lady later came back last night.
Oh, you serious?
Mm-hmm.
That means I should go greet her then.
No. No. I said they slept 3 a.m. this morning. Plus, I overheard her saying she will stay for the weekend.
That's a good idea, but at least let me just tell them good morning.
No.
Please?
They slept late.
Oh, okay.
And I'm sure you don't want to miss school or class today.
Yeah, true. I'm already late.
Good. So,
okay. Bye then.
okay.
And don't worry about the breakfast. I'll eat in the school cafeteria.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay.
Thank
Take care
you.
of yourself.
Yeah, thank
Be
you.
careful.
Mm-hmm.
Be careful.
Yes.
Hold on. Your camera is still outside.
I know.
Did you forget something?
Yes. I forgot something. I'll be back.
Okay. Alright. Dad? Dad?
Dad, I'm coming.
Oh, you're so strong, stronger than I thought.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm
Fine,
not
thank
as
you.
strong as I used to be.
I didn't realize you were not inside. The front door was locked.
Yeah, we left through the back door. Where's my daughter? Her driver's outside waiting for her.
Oh yeah, where is she?
Yeah, here she is. So, meet my beloved. daughter, June. June meets the auntie I've been telling you about.
Dad, is she our guest?
Yes, our guest.
Dad, can we talk inside?
June, you haven't even said hello to our guest. Hmm? Come on.
Hi. Dad, inside.
I think she's probably not prepared for this.
Oh, is she okay?
But don't worry, she'll come around. Just give me a minute.
Oh.
June! June!
You promise me you won't get mad.
No, I won't get mad. Talk to me, honestly.
Just promise me.
I will not get mad, June. What's the problem?
Dad, I don't like her.
What?
I don't like the lady.
What do you mean you don't like the lady? You have been praying to meet her all this while.
Well, yes. And I've met her. And I'm telling you that I don't like her. Please. Dad, please. Just take her out of this house. And do that immediately. Excuse me, Emma.
June! June! Oh my goodness. Where is she?
Oga, she don't go.
What do you mean she don't go? Couldn't you stop her?
Oga, you know tell me say make I stop am.
Oh my goodness. What is wrong with you, Silas? Aren't you living in this compound? Don't you know what is going on here?
Abi Oga, make I define am.
Listen, you need to learn how to observe, okay? And not just a gate man, you're a security man. Observe what's going on. Now get out of my sight.
Thank you, sir.
Oh God. Why have you allowed my karma come so close? God, please save me from this embarrassment, and I promise you, I will change my ways. I promise. I will change.
Vina, I know you are in there. Open this door right now, Vina. Vina, I swear, if you don't open this door, I'm going to break it down to pieces. Open this door right now.
Wait!
What do you have to say?
What did she tell you?
Doesn't matter what she told me, okay? That's not important. Now tell me, what do you have to say?
You need to tell me what she said. What did she tell you?
Alright, fine. She said she remembered my late wife. That's it.
Okay. Was that it?
Yes.
That's all she said?
Yes.
She didn't say anything about me?
No. Nothing about you. Now can we go to the house? waiting.
Look, can we do this some other time?
No. Listen, Pina. If we don't do this my way, I'll be very, very upset at you. You might not even see me again. Now, let's go. I'll bring you back. Let's go. And where are you going actually? This is my car.
Oh, yeah. Can we make this thing tomorrow?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a reason you're nervous? Are you afraid of meeting with my daughter?
Me? Nervous? Come on, no, not at all. I'm not nervous. I just feel awkward going back there after what happened.
Can we go now? Sit down. Tina! Tina! Where's June?
She's in her room upstairs.
Call her for me.
Alright.
June, your father wants to speak to you. Come on, June, open up, please.
She refused to open the door.
Did you inform her that I sent for her?
Yes, I did.
Miss Fina, so you had the guts, you had the temerity to come back to this house after everything. Didn't you tell my father everything that happened?
So yeah, just stop all this anger. We can be friends now, okay?
We can be friends. We can be friends. Do friends hurt each other? No, tell me, do friends hurt each other intentionally?
Look, we can stop being friends now, okay?
I will never be friends with a wicked person. Look at you! You're so heartless and wicked!
Wait a minute. What is going on here? The two of you know each other?
Yes, that this is my school teacher. She's so wicked, she's heartless, and guess what? She's also a drunk.
Wait, what?
Yes!
Oh, no. Now this is too much. Look, if you don't want me to get married to your dad, just say so, okay? And stop all this. Stop all this.
You know, you never told me you were good at pretending to. So apart from being wicked and heartless, and also being a drunk, you're also a liar.
Alright, enough of all this. The two of you. June, upstairs right now. Now. Now listen to me carefully. I know you don't like her, it's quite obvious. But why would you cook up stories against her?
I am not cooking up stories against her. That lady is my teacher, and she's the one that inflicted this injury on me.
You know, I never knew you could be so mean.
Dad! Didn't you hear what I said? She did this to my eye. That particular Miss Fina did this to my eye. I'm sure.
No, that's not what happened. You told me it was an accident. Have you forgotten?
Well, it was not an accident at all. The truth is, I didn't just want you to waste your time. I don't think she's worth your stress and your energy, so I just didn't tell you about it.
Now, how am I supposed to know you're telling the truth?
I am telling the truth. Come on, Dad, I'm your daughter.
You lied before.
I'm sorry. Come on, I just tried to save the situation. But now that she's closer, you don't even know much about her. Did you know until today that she is a teacher? No.
Go to your room. Yeah. You did all that to my daughter.
I'm so sorry. I would never intentionally want to hurt the child. You know, I swear I didn't do it intentionally. I really want to do that. Punish me. Please punish me. If punishing me would mean that you will forgive me at the end, please just punish me. I love you too much. I love you so much, and I wouldn't want to do anything to disappoint you. I'm sorry.
Did you apologize to her?
Yes, I did, but she was too angry to forgive me.
I understand. I guess I'll have to talk to her about this.
Okay.
Alright. You need to calm down. I'll show you in a minute.
I want to go now. I've had enough for today.
You need to calm down, okay? You really don't need to go wrong. Come on, get up. Marry me, please. Please, marry me.
But what about your daughter?
I think I can take care of my own daughter. Plus, she doesn't make decisions for me, right?
Right.
Please, will you be my wife?
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
So, we can go to the registry and make this official. Right, Les? Yeah. You need to stop crying.
Yes.
Everything happens for a reason.
Right.
So now, what's the problem?
So, I thought you would have asked June's best friend Queen if she was telling the truth or not.
I don't need to do that.
June says she will leave the house if you marry Miss Fina. Miss Fina really dealt with her.
She said that.
Yes.
Where is she?
She's at the back of the house.
My angel. My darling daughter. I want you to put everything that she has done behind you. For my sake. You know, there's this saying that goes, to err is human.
But please, please don't give me that quote. To err is human. Hey, look at my eyes. Look at it. Guess who gave me this injury? Miss Fina. Yes, she has been beating me and treating me like an animal in that school. And you're telling me to err is human.
I know that it's been that bad and I'm sorry for everything. I take the blame. Darling, if you remember, your daddy has been in depression for so long now. Every single day. Ever since I lost your mother. This is the only time happiness has come back.
I don't care anymore, Dad. You can choose her over me if you love her more than me.
No, June, I won't. June, come on!
She has refused to forgive me. I apologized and I begged her, but she won't even budge. I have to leave. I can't break the bond between you and your daughter. So I have to leave.
Please don't leave.
You need your daughter more than you need me.
Please. Don't walk away from me, please. Stay.
I'm sorry.
I need you to understand that I care about her so much. And I want you to find a way to learn to accept her.
I will never accept her. Never.
You must know, I asked her to marry me and she has accepted.
What? Then how can you ask a Jezebel to marry you?
Enough of that. What has come over you? How can you call my wife to be a Jezebel?
That you can shut me up, but you can never change my mind. And let me tell you this. The moment I find out that you really want to marry her, I will leave this house for the both of you and I will not come back. So choose me or your Jezebel of a wife.
Do you know how rude you sound to your father right now? Well, if that's what you want, then so be it.
Dad. Fine then! Fine!
Tina, I know my daughter listens to you. I want you to talk to her on my behalf. I need you to tell my daughter how much I love her. And also how much I love Auntie Fina. Fina has come to fill a gap that I never ever imagined will ever be filled in my life.
Sir, I have tried to talk to her twice, but she kept recounting her ugly experience with Miss Fina. Did she tell you that Miss Fina bought a special cane for her even when she knows the school prohibits it? Did she tell you that Miss Fina beats her every day? Did she also tell you that she almost got her blind just because she didn't get her a birthday present? That's pure wickedness.
My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We can go. Oh my goodness.
Oh, why is it so hard to take out this key? Oh, baby, is that you? Hold on. Come in, hold on. Hey, my love. Hey, my heartbeat. How are you, baby? Come on, babe. I thought we were over this.
No, we are not. Pina, how many times did you flog my daughter? How many times?
Once.
Don't you dare lie to me! You flogged my daughter every single day. You even bought a special cane for her. Just to punish her every single day. Who does that? How can you be so mean and wicked to her? She's just a child. She's a little girl.
Oh, really? So you're going to pick your daughter's word over mine? Oh, is this what it is? Father supporting daughter? Really?
You're not even remorseful. I think we need to put a hold on this.
Baby, stop. What you mean? Babe? Babe!
What do you think you're doing?
I'm leaving this house. Dad can marry that Jezebel who wants to marry. He's one of my business now.
Okay, June, I understand how you feel. But you can't just leave your father's side because of a woman.
Well, I cannot stay here either when she's around.
Tina, are you even listening to yourself? What the hell are you talking about? You don't know where my daughter is?
Sir, I couldn't have stopped her.
Listen to me carefully, Tina. If anything happens to my daughter, you will be held responsible.
I'm sorry, sir. But if anything happens to her, then it's on you.
Excuse me?
You don't do respect, sir. It's your fault if anything happens to her. Why would you choose a woman over your own child?
Tina, do you realize who you're talking to?
I know you'll fire me after this. But at least that will give me peace of mind. That knowing you married a woman that treated your daughter like an animal. Eh? If you like, ruin your home.
I'll tell you what, Tina, you guessed right. Today will be the last day that you will be in this residence because you are fired.
It's better. I cannot stay. I'm going.
June, please, come, June. I'm sorry, okay? I have ended everything with her. Please, let's go home.
I don't care. I don't care.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm still your dad. You are never going to see her in the house again, I promise. I'm sorry.
Dad, promise me she won't come to the house again.
Never.
You've ended everything with her, right?
I crossed my heart.
You swear.
Let's go home. Thank you, darling. Yeah.
Tina, where are you going to with your bag?
I'm going back to my people. I can't sleep.
Why?
Tina, everything you told me was the absolute truth. And I thank you for that. Please do not go. We still need you in our home. Can you take your bag back inside?
Please. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Please don't do this to us. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, no, no. No, please.
Leave my house. I don't want to ever set my eyes on you again, and do not turn back as you go. Now, turn around. I said turn around.
Richard, please.
Turn around if you don't want to regret this. Go, now.
Please forgive me. I'm sorry.